Hello, my dear friends. Today I'm going to cover Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act, that is restitution of conjugal rights. So let's see how it is and how to use restitution of conjugal rights, that is Section 9, in court. Practically how it is implemented and what is the point of view of court. Various courts like high courts and supreme courts, and debate related to this issue. I'm going to cover all this in this video. So, when either the husband or wife has, without reasonable excuse, withdrawn from the society of the other, the aggrieved party may apply the petition to the district court for restitution of conjugal rights, and the court, on being satisfied of the truth of the statements made in such petitions, and there is no legal ground why the application should not be granted, may decree restitution of conjugal rights accordingly. So here this I have read the entire section. So here I am going to explain you what it is. Thus, firstly, restitution of the conjugal rights, it comes under personal law. When you enforce someone by law, it is said to be a restitution of conjugal rights. It is helping to safeguard the marital union of a person. Like, if husband or wife, without giving any valid reason, if they leave, and if they have not even filed divorce, or they have not given valid reasons for leaving, so in that case, what a spouse should do, like what they want, if they're not interested in divorce, if they are not interested in taking this further, like separation, and if they want to live together, or either of the party wants to live together, then in that case, restitution of conjugal rights is a remedy to such a grieved person or such a party, like either husband or either wife can file restitution of conjugal right. So basically the question is that it is the act which is protecting right of marriage. Like, if you are married to each other, then it is your legal bound, like you are bounded to cohabit with each other. You have to stay together as a part of society, as a part of that you are married under Hindu Marriage Act. So it is your duty to do your like you are a husband and wife, so you have to perform that duty. So if you are not performing that duty, and if you are not living together, then either the option is, like, if you have to go to divorce, then you have to clarify to your partner that whether you want to go to for divorce, whether you want to live together or no. So now how Section 9 is being used in practical life, like practically in court. So if either of the spouse refuse to stay together, and if they are not even filing the case like divorce, and if there is no clarity of anything, then in that case, and if you want to save your marriage, in that case you have to file a petition under district court under Section 9 of Hindu Marriage Act. So when normally a partner, if one of the partner, if they are not interested in staying with you, they will go and file divorce if you file a restitution of conjugal rights. And if you are not agreeing to give divorce, then you can file restitution of conjugal rights, that you want to stay with the party, and then court will take appropriate decision as per the grounds which whatever you have pleaded in your petition, and as per that ground the court will decide. So if the court agrees to, and if the court pass order in your behalf in Section 9, if court asks the partner to come and stay together, and if the partner doesn't follow that, the court can seize the property of the partner. The court can give adverse order in that regard. In many judgments, the court has observed that the right of privacy of a person is being infringed by giving judgments on restitution of conjugal rights. The judgment of Section 9 is itself it is violating the dignity of a person, it is violating the privacy of a person, it is violating the decision of a person, it is violating a sexual sexual relationship ka decision of a person. Like, if a person don't want to have sexual relationship or sexual intercourse with their partners, respective partners, and court is forcing them to stay in that relationship. So it is something which is infringing their personal and private things which they have decided by themselves. So but even Supreme Court in 2019 has said that it is infringing the right of fundamental right of a person, but it is also said that it is disbalancing the society. So that for that reason 2019 का judgment bench have clearly mentioned that right to privacy is a fundamental right, and so restitution of conjugal rights, so to follow that law or no, that is completely depending on the a person, and that is completely depending upon the circumstances. So the court can't bound the person to follow that compulsorily. They can seek remedies in high courts and supreme courts if they find the judgment of section 9 is the decree or the judgment is not passed as per their wish, and it is violating their personal right, their right to life and personal liberty. So this was the overall gist of section 9, restitution of conjugal rights.